I have a question. What is technology?
Yes, what is technology?
Technology is the application of knowledge to create tools that make life easier. Let's take a journey through time to see how technology has evolved. Long ago, our ancestors discovered fire, which changed how they cooked and stayed warm. Then came the wheel, which made transportation easier. Fast forward to the Industrial Revolution, where machines helped humans work faster. We live in the digital age with computers, the internet, and artificial intelligence. But technology doesn't stop here. It keeps advancing. Speaking of modern technology, let's welcome Dr. Adam, a scientist working on artificial intelligence. He'll show us how robots can be trained to think and play games like humans.
Thank you. Artificial intelligence allows machines to learn from experience. This robot, for example, is playing chess. By analyzing thousands of past games, it improves its strategy just like a human. AI is used in many areas, from self-driving cars to medical diagnosis. One day, robots might even help solve the world's biggest challenges.
Wow, that's amazing. I want to be part of that future.
I never knew technology had such a long history, and it will keep changing the world.
At Next Generation Mindset and Technology, we aim to simplify the future, one mind at a time.
Follow us on TikTok. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on notifications.